Hi everyone, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, and I just wanted to welcome you to this course on internet safety. Now you might be saying, why should I look at this course? The internet seems like this fun and fabulous place where I can interact with folks and get information and do all of these great things. But you also need to realize that the internet can be a dangerous place. There are people who are going to want to get access to your personally identifiable information. The things that would allow folks to, say, take a credit card in your name, or pretend to be you, or steal money from you. So you want to figure out how do you protect that. And we'll have a lot more content on what exactly PII, or personally identifiable information, is. As you know, on the internet, you have many accounts. It could be an account for a site that allows you to play video games, but it could be your banking account. It could be where you send emails from, your social media. There are folks out there that would love to have access to those accounts. They might be able to directly do things on those accounts. It could be as little as embarrass you by taking advantage of your social media account, or it could be stealing money from you if it's your bank account. Or if you have the same password in multiple places, well, they might be able to use that from one place to another. So beware of everything on the internet. You have a lot of information about yourself that could be valuable to others. And you're also going to learn that some of those folks are going to try to trick you. You're going to learn about things like phishing attacks, where they're going to try to pretend to be someone else and make you feel really urgent about doing something and giving information, once again, that you do not want these folks to have. So take a look at this course. It's going to be very, very important to you. Hopefully, none of this stuff ever happens to you, but if it does, you'll know what to do about it. But even more importantly, you're going to know how to prevent it. So hopefully you enjoyed this course.